Okay, hi everyone. In this video, I explain about the female reproductive system in human beings because few of the people messaged me that yesterday I have sent some YouTube video link, but you asked me you requested me the video recorded by me. Okay, with the explanation of female reproductive system. Okay. Female reproductive system, human female reproductive system. Human female reproductive system. Human female reproductive system. Here, first, what are the parts of human female reproductive system? Parts of human female reproductive system. Number one, it consists of ovaries, one pair in number, oviducts, one pair, and uterus. Female reproductive system is made of ovaries, one pair, oviducts, one pair, uterus, one. It is a muscular sac-like structure, uterus. Ovaries. There are a pair of ovaries are present, which are located in the abdominal cavity on either sides. Okay, one is the right side, another one is the left side in the abdominal cavity. Now we will see the structure of female reproductive system in human female reproductive system. This is the structure of human female reproductive system. This is the structure of human female reproductive system. Okay, and here this is called uterus. Oviducts or oviduct is also called as fallopian tube. Oviduct is also called as fallopian tube and ovary. Okay, and this is muscular sac-like structure called uterus. Okay, and this part, this is another muscular sac-like structure which is called as vagina. Okay, female genital organ, and this part where uterus is opening into vagina is called as cervix. Okay, now a pair of ovaries, one is on right side, another one is on left side. Pair of ovaries are present in the abdominal cavity. Okay, next a pair of oviducts, and if you observe these oviducts, oviduct one end is connected to uterus. Okay, this end, this oviduct, this end, this oviduct, this end is connected to uterus, and other end is free end with a ciliated funnel. Other end is free end with ciliated funnel. Okay, now female gamete. Female gamete is called ovum. Female gamete is called as ovum. This ovum, where it is present? Inside ovaries. Inside ovaries. And if you observe right from the birth, okay, female reproductive system consists of ovaries. Female reproductive system, okay, consists of ovaries. Inside ovaries, specialized cells are present. They are called as primary oocytes. Primary oocytes. Okay. Inside by birth, in the ovaries of the female reproductive system, specialized cells are present. Those specialized cells are called as primary oocytes. These primary oocytes later develop into female gamete ova. Female gamete ova. Okay. These primary oocytes first they develop into ovarian follicle. Ovarian follicle. Inside this ovarian follicle, ovum is present. Follicle means a sac-like structure. A fluid-filled sac-like structure. Follicle. Inside this, it consists of ovum. Singular ovum, plural ovum. Okay, follicle. These follicles gradually, slowly develops. On the onset of puberty age is 12 to 13 years in females. Okay, on the onset of puberty, okay, one follicle matures, means completely develops ovum inside it, and after that it ruptures and releases ovum to outside. That releasing of ovum from the ovary is called ovulation. Okay, releasing of ovum from the ovary is called ovulation. Okay, now one thing I need to recall to you people regarding the male reproductive system. We know that in males also, male gametes spermatozoa production takes place on the onset of puberty, that is 13 to 14 years onwards. But the thing is, spermatozoa are microscopic. Spermatozoa are microscopic. Okay, means very small. But ova are, okay, macroscopic. And spermatozoa are motile. Motile means with the help of tail they can swim. But it is non-motile. Or we say it as stationary. And spermatozoa are produced in millions regularly. In million number regularly spermatozoa are produced by male reproductive system. But here only one ovum once in a month. Only one ovum once in a month. Okay, only one ovum once in a month. Okay, but here two ovaries are there now. How only one ovum once in a month means? Only one ovum releases once in a month. If this month this ovary releases ovum, next month this one. Okay, next month this one. Like that, the ovulation process. Ovulation means releasing of ovum from the ovary is called ovulation. The ovulation process alternates between two ovaries in successive months. Two ovaries, successive months. Okay. Next, male reproductive system can produce male gametes till the death of that individual. Whereas in females, female body can produce female gametes up to 45 to 50 years age only. Up to 45 to 50 years age only. Okay, this is about the female gamete. Now we will see here. I told you only one ovum releases that too once in a month. Okay. Here, what is the main intention of releasing of gamete? Means for reproduction, means to produce new individual. Means if the ovum releases to outside, what happens? You see, whenever ovum releases into the abdominal cavity from the ovary, immediately the ciliated funnel-like end of the fallopian tube captures that ovum. Ciliated funnel, like fallopian tube, and captures that ovum. And this fallopian tube has small ciliary cells. These tubes are lined by ciliary cells. With the help of ciliary movement, the ovum is pushed towards inside, that is towards uterus through this tube. If this male participates in sexual intercourse and sperms are deposited, if sperms come in contact with this, the sperm may fuse with the ovum. It results in the formation of zygote. I will explain it clearly later. Now, by the time of ovulation process itself, the entire female reproductive system, it gets ready in anticipation of pregnancy. Means if pregnancy was there, whatever the conditions should be present, all those conditions are prepared by this female reproductive system. Suppose if male and female gamete fusion takes place. Suppose what happens? Means after releasing ovum from the ovary, it can survive 24 to 48 hours. 24 to 48 hours. Later it disintegrates, it dies itself. Now we will see here one thing. We can see a mechanism, a monthly cycle, that is menstrual cycle in females. Menstrual cycle means mensum means month, monthly cycle. Means I told you only one ovum once in a month. Menstrual cycle. In this cycle has majorly two stages. One is proliferative stage. Another one is secretory stage. If you take 30 days time, proliferative stage, proliferation means multiplication. What happens is cells in the wall of uterus, fallopian tubes, vagina multiply and increase the thickness in anticipation of pregnancy. Anticipation of pregnancy means whatever the conditions should be there. If the zygote comes, all those conditions are prepared. What are those conditions? The wall of the uterus, the wall of the fallopian tube, the wall of the vagina should be thick in manner. For thickness, what happens? Proliferative stage means cells multiplying number increase their thickness. It proliferative stage takes 1 to 14 days. 1 to 14 days. Okay, 1 to 14 days. The ovum releases in between, that depends upon the status of health status of the female individual, but usually the ovum release takes place in between 13 to 15 days. Okay, what is that? Ovulation. Ovulation. Okay, 13 to 15 days. If male gamete comes and fusion takes place, there is no problem. Zygote formation takes place, that is nothing but pregnancy, already conditions are favorable, the baby will grow. Okay, but if there is no fusion, if male gamete is not available here, what happens means this stage will start. Okay, the entire reproductive system waits, okay, for the zygote, because zygote fusion takes place in fallopian tube. I will explain later. After fusion, the zygote slowly moves in this tube and have to reach this uterus. It takes some days time. That is why it waits. The reproductive system waits for some days, few days. Okay. If zygote doesn't come, okay, exactly at 28th or 30th day, okay, what happens? The secretory phase, okay, it waits for 3 or 4 days. Later, secretory phase, second half of the month, secretory phase starts. During the secretory stage, what happens? Gradually, the thickened walls of the uterus, fallopian tube, and vagina, from the walls, the cells slowly detaches, okay, and exactly on 28th or 30th day, okay, the excessive cells along with the disintegrated ovum, because ovum lifespan 24 to 48 hours, along with the disintegrated ovum expelled to outside through vagina. Okay, expelled to along with some amount of blood, because when cells detach, blood capillaries may rupture and blood also release. Okay, that is called menstrual cycle. Okay, after expelling every waste material outside, okay, again proliferative stage starts. Again, if there is no zygote formation, secretory phase. Proliferative phase, this cycle will continue till the female attains pregnancy. That is what is called as menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle. Mensum means month. Okay. Menstrual cycle. Okay. If pregnancy attains, if fusion takes place, this menstrual cycle takes leave for 1 year or 1.5 years throughout the gestation period and after the delivery hours. Okay, this is about the menstrual cycle. 2 stages are there. Proliferative stage, where cells multiply and increase the thickness of the reproductive system walls and wait in anticipation of pregnancy. If pregnancy doesn't occur, that means fusion of male and female gametes is not there. Okay, in the second half of the month, the thickened cells detach from the wall, and on 28th or 30th day they expel to outside, okay, along with some amount of blood. Again proliferative stage starts. Again secretory phase. Proliferative stage is followed by secretory stage. Secretory stage is followed by proliferative stage till the female attains a pregnancy. Okay, Nana? This is about the menstrual cycle and the structure of female reproductive system. Okay. And functioning of female reproductive system, process of fertilization, development of baby. I will make another video and I will send it tomorrow, because if the video duration is more, it takes more time to download to you. Okay, and for me also to upload the things, it takes a lot of time. Okay, that is why I am concluding this video with this. Okay, structure and menstrual cycle. In the next video, okay, I will explain about the functioning of the female reproductive system. Okay, how fertilization takes place, where it takes place, what are the developments happen after fertilization. Okay, how baby develops, we will discuss. Okay, thank you.